Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to use the contractor system in JobForge to send your subcontractors opportunities to bid on your projects. Let's get right into it. Okay, so maybe for us cabinet makers, the best use case for this would be like stone countertop costs. So that's the example I'm going to use in this situation. First thing you want to do is go to the contractors sidebar tab here, and you want to dive in and create yourself the contractors that you want to send bids to, or send the opportunity to bid on your project. I have a few already set up here, so we're just going to go ahead and proceed. And so what you need to do is, while you're creating quotes, so I'm in the quotes tab, you can create a quote, and then you click, while you're creating the quote, I'll have other videos on creating quotes, but while you're within the quote, if you right click on the header of the component that collapses and expands, if you right click, you'll get this send for bidding option that shows right here. And basically what we're doing is we're telling other contractors, would you like to bid on this countertop? Or, could be like installation or whatever you want to use for the bidding system. So let's just close that. Right click on the header, send for bidding, and then you can, pick only the contractors you want to send it to. You also have the option to include it in your quote. So this would be if you're sending out the bid, you don't want the client to see it, you want it to be included in your quote, so you're paying the subcontractor directly, and the client does not see this until you've actually accepted one of the bids. So if I send out three, maybe all three come back, maybe two come back, but however many come back, it's not going to show any of them in the price until it'll show that it's pending, but it won't show it in the price until you accept it. So that's included in the quote. You can also add if I switch to include in quote, you'll get an option to add a markup. Let's see here. So you can also create a deadline. The markup is included once, for example, when the quote is shown up, if you click include in quote, the markup option will show in that little card I'll show you after. For me, typically I'll list them separately, so I don't really want to be included in the stone cost. I'd rather just tell the client, handle that on your own. I'm not interested in dealing with any of that stuff, so I'd rather just have the client deal with that on their own. But we give them, out of courtesy, we collect the quotes for them because it's super easy for us, and we present them as an option at the bottom of the quote, and it says really clearly, this is not including it in our contract, but out of courtesy we have collected these quotes for you. So you'd hit list separately and you send the invitations. If you send the invitations, we go over to contractors tab, and I'll just show you as an example what happens. These contractors will receive an email that says a bid opportunity is available. Please click the link. You do not have to. They don't have to sign in. They don't have to create an account or anything. They get brought to this portal. So I'm just going to open it so we can see it. You, as the owner of your JobForge account, can open and view all of these as well. So you can make sure that your contractor is getting the correct information. You just click that little button that I showed there. So these contractors have already submitted all the bids that they were sent. So when they get a bid, it'll show in this quotes tab, and it'll say awaiting your bid. So they'll be able to view pending ones. They'll open it and it'll bring them here. So they'll be able to see the same 3D model that we've utilized all over the place in JobForge. So they can view, look at all the notes, they can see all that same stuff. So that gives them the opportunity to bid accurately. They can also measure on this stuff as well, the same as everywhere else in JobForge you can measure. So this has worked really well for us to acquire quotes. So they you know, view that, they upload their price here. I make them write them right in there, just because it looks cleaner to the client, and then upload also their PDF, which is highly recommended. So then if we go back out of here, so this is, of course, they can also send messages. You could send tasks to subcontractors as well. All this stuff is included in there. They have a dashboard the same as everybody else. If they are accepted for a job, they'll have a job that shows as an active job, and that way they can track it through our system as well. So it's kind of an advantage to them to use, or use our company, because we provide them with an opportunity to contact their clients if they're not, or contact us directly. Like the communication, we worked a lot on setting up proper communication between contractors, clients, designers, all that. So yeah, that's how they see their bid. And then for us, if I go to quotes and I find one that has already been submitted, let's say, I think this one has some already submitted. For us, what we see is there's a bids tab right here. If I jump over to that, we can see all those bids. So these aren't this is separate, again, not included in our quote, but if there was one, we could add a markup. We could view the PDF here. You can see there, it says list separately, included in quote. You have the option to switch back and forth, just in case you want to change your mind. You can, like, say I want to view as the client, so we can see exactly what the client's going to look at. This is the client portal, so they're viewing all of this. And then if we go all the way to the bottom, quotes from other contractors. The following quotes are not in our contract. As a courtesy, we have reached out to these contractors on your behalf. Any arrangements are directly between you and the contractor. They can accept this. They can email them directly, view their PDF the same as we just did, view any details as well. So for pure easiness, I'd say this is probably one of the best subcontractor systems personally that I could think of. Like, it's pretty clear this is separate. You have end of quote right here. Our total is right here. But it's just as a courtesy, we're grabbing pricing for the client. And if they have multiple rooms, it'll just say like dining room built in, and then it'll say ensuite, whatever, bathroom, kitchen, blah, blah, blah at the bottom. So, and for no work for us, we're providing a really great service for the client to be able to pick through if they want to, or if you want to include in your quote, you can pick through and view what's the most, who's coming in at the best price, or who's providing the best service at a reasonable price. And yeah, so that's it for the bidding system. Clients, contact them directly or add it into your quote with a markup. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Let's go back to that. So thanks for watching, and have a great one. Thanks for using JobForge. For anybody out there that's using JobForge, I appreciate you all very much. The more we dogpile on this system, the better it gets. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and it's also one heck of an iceberg. So let's go.
If you're eager to dive deeper into Mozaik, enhance your shop, or explore the possibilities with CNC routers and 3D printing, you're in the right place. Your feedback drives our content, so subscribe to stay updated with the latest tutorials and tips. Watch out for our next video.
If you would like to become a JobForge user and give us a try, the more people that use the system, the better it gets, the more great ideas that come up. The system is just becoming incredible. I'm so happy with it. It's becoming an all-encompassing business managing system. Is it perfect? It's not perfect, but it's really getting there. Holy moly, it's amazing. So that said, if you want to use JobForge, I appreciate you all very much. Use the code JobForge50 to get 50% off for the first 3 months. And you also have a 2-week free trial. So give us a try. I think you'll enjoy it a lot.
If you're eager to dive deeper into Mozaik, enhance your shop, or explore the possibilities with CNC routers and 3D printing, you're in the right place. Your feedback drives our content, so subscribe to stay updated with the latest tutorials and tips. Watch out for our next video.